Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to set up your Verizon Wi-Fi extender. Really easy and simple to do this, guys. So first things first, what you're gonna do is you wanna plug in the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet. Okay, this is the power outlet. You wanna take this adapter, plug it into this hole right here, plug this in, and then you wait for a solid yellow light to turn on. Okay, then what you need to do down here, you'll see this light and as well as a unified button. So it's both a light and a button. So you want to go ahead and press this, hold this, okay, for about 3 seconds, and then the pair button on the Verizon Internet Gateway within 2 minutes. So both devices link blue while pairing, and if there is an error during the pairing process, what's going to happen is the status LED slowly flashes red for 2 minutes after the error occurs, and once a solid white or blinking yellow light appears on the Wi-Fi extender, then it means that it's paired, okay? And what you can also do is you can unplug the Wi-Fi extender from the power outlet, move it between the internet gateway and the weak Wi-Fi coverage area, then plug it into a power outlet. And if you see a fast blinking yellow light, move the extender further away from the internet gateway. And if you see a slow blinking yellow light, move the extender closer to the internet gateway until you get something that is white. Okay, so once the LED indicator turns solid white, that means your setup is complete. A really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.